Ever wonder what keeps your car from burning through your wallet at the gas station? Meet one of the hardest working parts under your hood, the oxygen sensor. But what does it actually do? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. Located right inside your car's exhaust system, the oxygen sensor, often called the O2 sensor, measures how much unburned oxygen is left in your exhaust gases after fuel goes through the engine. Think of it as the taste tester for your car's breathing system. It constantly sends this data to your car's computer, the ECU. The computer uses that info to mix the exact right amounts of air and fuel. Too little oxygen? The mixture is rich as wasting expensive gas. Too much oxygen? The mixture is lean, which can dangerously overheat your engine. The O2 sensor helps keep that balance perfect. When this little sensor goes bad, your car's computer starts guessing. Signs include a sudden drop in gas mileage, a rough engine idle, and yes, that dreaded check engine light. Ignoring it can even destroy your expensive catalytic converter. Got car questions? Drop them in the comments below.